Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Oil prices slipped on Friday and were flat on the week, as the possibility of a ceasefire in Gaza weakened crude benchmarks, while the war in Europe and shrinking US rig count cushioned the fall. The S&P 500 ended little changed on Friday, but the index registered its biggest weekly percentage gain of 2024 after the Federal Reserve this week stuck with projections for 3 interest rate cuts by year's end. China has introduced guidelines to phase out US microprocessors from Intel and AMD from government PCs and servers. The procurement guidance also seeks to sideline Microsoft's Windows operating system and foreign-made database software in favor of domestic options.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US new home sales at 1400 hours GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product will be released at 0530 GMT. Japan's coincidence index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.